Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Vivomove HR tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset of your Garmin Vivomove HR. So doing this will delete all of the user data off of the watch, activities, every single thing on here. And once completed, it'll have to be set up again just like it was out of the box, brand new. So let's go and get started. The first thing you need to do is simply activate the watch face and then long press the watch face. Once we're in the menu, we're going to swipe right till we see the gear, select the gear. And then once you've selected the gear, go ahead and swipe right until we see the wrench. Go ahead and select the wrench. Now once you see vibration, swipe right again and you'll see Restore Defaults. Select Restore Defaults. And then it will say Clear User Data. Go ahead and select the check mark. So as you can see, we now have a Garmin emblem and it is doing a full factory reset of the Vivomove HR. Once it's completed, you'll see that it says hello. And it's going to ask us for the language that we want to use on the Vivomove HR. This means the reset has been successful and we need to go through the setup process on our Vivomove HR. If you have any questions about how to set up your Vivomove HR, check the description because I also have a tutorial on that. So that's how you reset the Garmin Vivomove HR. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Vivomove HR tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.